Today we're showing you a 2017 Kubota BX23S tractor, loader, backhoe. Tractor comes from a local fellow here, an elderly fellow who had to sell his property and no longer had a need for this tractor. Tractor's in great shape. Again, it is the BX23S. It does come with the LA 340 front loader and then also the rear backhoe as well. So it does come complete here, as you see. It does have the skid steer cell hookup for your bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. A couple of very small scuffs up here in the hood, but very nice tractor overall. It does have the single point connector here for your loader connections. Hydrostat transmission, forward and reverse pedal here. Joystick controller for the loader right here beside the seat. Very nice tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.